In this guide, we're going over how you can dash behind someone here in Heroes Battlegrounds. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, dashing behind an opponent is so useful, and it's such a great technique because it lets you bypass their block and lets you land hits from behind. If you're on PC, all you really need to do is start by holding W to run towards an enemy, and let's just say the enemy's in this section right here, kind of towards the very middle. Then go ahead and press Q to dash, and as your character passes through the opponent, quickly flick your camera 180 degrees and left click to punch them from behind. So do something like this. Boom, and then go ahead and flick your camera and you're good to go. A helpful tip is, not using shift lock, because shift lock can sometimes go ahead and mess that up for you. But another method that you can do is called the C dash, which is a safer technique that curves around the opponent more like a C. To do this, obviously do the exact same thing. Go ahead and run forward and then just curve. It is kind of hard to master it at first, but it is way safer. On PC, you could just hold A or D and then go ahead and dash just like so. And as you can see, it kind of makes a little bit of a curving motion. On mobile, you could just hold the joystick diagonally, like left or upright, and then tap the dash button while dashing, and then drag your camera in a curved motion towards the opponent. This will help you curve and, of course, get around their block. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.